I know you will. 2 hoes with me, Lou will. Big bankroll, all new bills. About to buy a grill, cost me 2 mil. About to get you dropped, that don't cost nothing.
Alright y'all, so the hair we're gonna be using today to color and fleek the fuck out is gonna be this hair from Msbeauty hair. It's so bomb. This is a full lace, well not full lace, this is a lace front wig that they gave me in the Brazilian body wave, 22 inches baby, because I love long limbs. But this hair is so pretty. This is what it looked like on the right originally. Look at them body waves. And then on the left is how I colored it. This ugly orange yellowish gold color. I don't know what I thought I was doing, but let's get into how I fix it. Alright, so on to me correcting my mistakes. I went to the beauty supply store and I got the brand of hair dye that I usually use, Adore brand. And I got 2 bottles of the crimson, so I just, did the hot water method. Made my hot water boiling hot, and I used way less than what I used in my first time doing the watercolor method. If you ain't see that video, then I'm gonna go ahead and link it above and link it in the description box below. But anywho, so I did my wig in there once I got both of the bottles of the crimson in there, stirred it up. But to be honest, I feel like I could have just used 1 bottle of crimson. I don't think I needed that much because I had a lot left over. Like I could have dyed a whole nother wig, I swear. But you see how that color took? So pretty. So I just let it sit in there for like an extra 5 minutes, and let's get into this install. Okay, so I was just showing y'all right there like what the lace looked like after I cut it and how it's fitting on my head, really for me to see how it's gonna look too. So this is my first time using the got to be freeze spray method, so bear with me y'all. This is realistic. Like it was squirting and sliding and just falling all over my face, and I had to keep wiping it, and then it wouldn't stick. So I recommend you get a blow dryer and not be lazy like me and just try to use your hands or something to fan it. Get a blow dryer, it'll make your life way simpler. Take it from me. Alright, so what you're about to see in the next clip is I basically just laid the hair down where I wanted to be. Spray more Febreze. I spray more got to be freeze spray where I wanted it to lay, and then eventually I just put my scarf on so it'll all just lay down and mesh later like how I know it will. But like I said, if you want to save your time, stress, and less energy and time, just get the blow dryer. Because you see what I'm doing? I don't know what the fuck I was doing. Trial and error, y'all. Trial and fucking error. But let's get into it. So I didn't like how my part looked so closed up, so I got some tweezers and I'm just about to pluck that out real quick. Simple, nothing too major. You already know how to pluck and tweeze a part. And you see, look at that. Okay, part, scalp, we got it. So I'm about to take this stick that's like the Cure wax stick, but it's the one from the beauty supply store, the Luster's brand. Put that all along my part and my edges, and then I'm about to use my electric hot comb so I can get my hair super duper flat and sleek. And this will make your hair look so bomb if you're using a flat iron, because it'll have your silk press looking so sleek, so silky, so straight, bone straight, baby. I'm talking bone straight, baby. Now on to the crimps. I need y'all to pay attention because like I said, trial and error. This is really me learning how to do this because I never did crimp waves in my hair. So I went and got me a crimper. And I put some Febreze spray. Why do I keep wanting to say Febreze? I got to be glue freeze spray. I sprayed it on my hair first, and then I used the crimper, and look at them crimps. They so cute. Okay, like bomb, baby, cute, baby. But the second time I did it, it was ugly. Like I'm about to show y'all. You'll see. Do you see how big of a section I took? Like versus the first time I started crimping my hair, the section was so much thinner. So Note to self, make sure you use small sections, guys. Like, this is time consuming. I tried to like glide through this like I was flat ironing or curling something real quick. No, baby, it's not the same process. It's time consuming. So take your time, use less hair, and you'll be fine. Now my scarf was stuck to my head when I was taking it off, and as you can see, like the method that I was doing, I was getting got to be glues freeze spray everywhere. So I'm just taking my comb to try and comb it out so it's not so hard and brittle. And that one piece of my lace, it wouldn't stay down, so I just sprayed it with some more got to be freeze spray, and it'll eventually, you know, settle in. I'm not putting my scarf back on, but you can if you want to. And you see my skin real tight right there. Just take some alcohol if it do the same to you. Clean it up and you'll be good, baby. You'll be just fine. And onto these baby hairs. My camera cut off actually in the middle of me doing these. You get the gist when you see me just, you know, sculpting it out. And I have another video that's more detailed. But this is pretty much the end of the video. I hope y'all like it. And if you do, give it a thumbs up and comment below how you feel about the color and the hairstyle, the crimps and all of that good stuff. And I'm going to see y'all in my next video. And make sure you go ahead and go check the description box for Msbeauty hair. Is so bomb. I'm telling y'all, I love this hair. It's so pretty, so soft too. I love soft hair, y'all. Love soft hair. Order links in the description box. Follow me on Instagram at Slade by J. Follow me on Snapchat at J_Cozart. And I'm gonna see y'all in my next one.